If a Chicago rideshare driver hits my car, can I sue Uber or Lyft? With the rising popularity of rideshare services like Uber and Lyft in Chicago, more people are opting for the convenience and efficiency these platforms offer. However, this increase in rideshare usage has also led to an increased risk of motor vehicle accidents involving rideshare drivers. A study from Chicago Booth highlights a concerning trend. The introduction of ride-hailing services has led to a roughly 3% increase in motor vehicle fatalities and fatal accidents. This uptick is particularly pronounced in large cities where increased car registrations follow the launch of these services. Given these statistics, the question arises, if a rideshare driver hits my car, can I sue Uber or Lyft in Illinois? In Chicago, rideshare drivers, also known as Transportation Network Providers or TNPs, must obtain a TNP chauffeur license and register their vehicles with the City of Chicago. Despite these regulations, rideshare drivers in Illinois are typically classified as independent contractors, not employees. This classification has significant implications for liability and compensation. As independent contractors, drivers operate their vehicles as separate businesses, limiting the direct responsibility of rideshare companies for drivers' actions. The ability to sue rideshare companies in Illinois is nuanced and highly dependent on specific circumstances. Recent court rulings show that, under certain conditions, rideshare companies can be held liable, while others mandate arbitration for resolving negligence claims. Scenarios where you can sue Uber or Lyft in Chicago. Negligent hiring. If Uber or Lyft failed to properly vet a driver with a history of reckless driving or criminal behavior, they may be held responsible. Inadequate training. If insufficient training leads to unsafe driving practices, the company could be liable. Violations of company policies or laws. Failure to enforce safety policies or adhere to local laws can also lead to company liability. Insurance and coverage issues. Issues with the insurance policy, such as lack of adequate coverage, can lead to a lawsuit against the company. If you cannot hold Uber or Lyft directly liable, other options include suing the driver. If the driver's negligence directly leads to the accident, you can file a lawsuit against the driver. No-fault insurance claim. Though Illinois does not have a no-fault insurance system, knowing your insurance policy can help you navigate claims involving rideshare drivers. Steps to take if hit by a rideshare driver. Check for injuries and call 911 if necessary. Move to safety and call the police to file a report. Exchange information with the rideshare driver. Document the scene with photos and gather witness statements. Report the accidents to the rideshare company. Seek medical attention even for minor injuries. Contact a car accident lawyer to guide you through the process. Understanding your insurance policy and dealing with the rideshare driver's insurance is crucial. Work closely with your insurance company and a personal injury lawyer to address potential complications and ensure fair compensation. At Rosenfeld Injury Lawyers, we're here to help you navigate the complexities of rideshare accidents. Contact us today for a consultation. Your safety and justice are our top priorities.